The question which came first, the chicken or the egg, is one of the oldest and most debated questions in both philosophy and science. It seems simple, yet it raises profound issues about the origins of life and the nature of existence. For centuries, people have wondered whether the chicken or the egg originated first, with answers ranging from ancient beliefs to modern scientific theories. The roots of this question can be traced back to ancient Greece, where the philosopher Aristotle first pondered this puzzle. Aristotle believed that both the chicken and the egg must have always existed in a continuous cycle. He argued that the cycle was eternal, with no true beginning or end. In his view, the chicken and the egg were part of an endless loop, connected without one coming before the other. This idea of an eternal cycle was common in many ancient cultures, where life was seen as a continuous process without a distinct starting point. However, during the Middle Ages, religious views, particularly Christian beliefs, began to dominate the discussion. According to the Christian interpretation of the Bible, animals, including chickens, were created by God in their fully formed state. This meant that chickens were created first, and the egg came after. This view was widely accepted for many centuries and shaped how many people thought about the beginnings of life. The introduction of Darwin's theory of evolution in the 19th century revolutionized the way we view life's origins. Darwin's theory proposed that species evolve over time through gradual changes and natural selection. In the case of chickens, they did not appear suddenly but evolved from earlier species of birds. These proto-chickens gradually evolved into what we recognize today as the modern chicken. At some point, a proto-chicken laid an egg containing a genetic mutation. This mutation led to the birth of the first true chicken. From an evolutionary perspective, the egg clearly came first. The egg, carrying the genetic change, was the stage where the first chicken emerged. Thus, the egg must have preceded the chicken in evolutionary terms. However, this theory is complicated by a fascinating scientific discovery. In 2006, researchers at the University of Sheffield identified a protein called evoclidin 17, which is essential for the formation of eggshells. This protein is found only in chickens. Without it, an egg cannot form its hard outer shell. This means that for an egg to have the structure we recognize today, a chicken must have already existed to produce the necessary protein. This presents a paradox. While evolutionary theory suggests that the egg came first, the biological process of eggshell formation seems to require the chicken. In this sense, chickens appear to be necessary for the egg's existence in the form we know. Therefore, the egg and the chicken seem to be interdependent in a way that makes it difficult to say definitively which came first. Ultimately, the question of which came first, the chicken or the egg, challenges our understanding of life's origins. It forces us to consider the complexity of evolution, the mysteries of biological processes, and the way we think about time and creation. While science may provide a theoretical answer, the question continues to intrigue and inspire curiosity, reflecting our ongoing quest to understand the world and our place in it. So, the next time you find yourself pondering this age-old question, remember that it's more than just a simple riddle. It's a window into the mysteries of life, the process of evolution, and the way we search for meaning in the world around us. Beversiet Xmin 4000 Simville, Bosliuklalaberlicht, Skalida. Is Dienis Baskadai Isiklikal Vyal Avlavasa, Bildebilsa.